Today's cloud job is about cloud infrastructure engineer in Sevens Group. Seven Network is Australia's number one television network and home to iconic news, sports, and entertainment brands, plus Australia's number one BVOD service, 7 Plus. The Seven Network is part of Seven West Media, the media company of the future powered by audience, content, and technology. This particular role is based in South Evely and reporting to the infrastructure manager. As I said, South Evely is in Sydney, and most of this work type is flexible. Seven Network is quite a good company to work for as per the reputation in the industry. The skill set required for this job is mainly around managing and supporting public cloud resources in AWS, Azure, and Oracle for corporate IT. As part of this role, you will also be developing and working with their SaaS providers or integrations with cloud systems. You would also need to contribute to Seven's cloud migration strategy. Plus, you would also be involved in some of the Microsoft products like Windows Server, Active Directory, and also some VMware work. It is also expected to manage Microsoft Office 365, Azure, and Intune services. Now, there is also some FinOps and cost management involved, plus some DevOps experience is always necessary. Yes, it's a mouthful, but again, you don't have to know everything in depth, but still you should be aware of what exactly these services do and how to manage them on the high level. That's pretty much it. If you feel like it, go to Seven Networks website and apply it directly from there. Thank you very much.